Let's do a quick review before you move on to the next chapter. In this chapter, we used Firebug in order to view the padding and margin properties of various elements in our footer. We then, after we modified the footer, looked at how to add a new user, new role, and manipulate the permissions in that role all in quick succession. These are all things that we'd done before, but we got to bring it all together in this example. We then fixed an issue where a site editor wasn't able to modify content because they didn't have permission to use a particular text format. And then we learned how formats are associated only with content that exists. So if there's a text area that could have content in it but doesn't, a text format won't be associated with it, which is useful to know as we create dummy content on our site. And finally, we began the process of integrating images with our WYSIWYG, starting by using the media browser with the media module. If you're looking for a challenge, here's a few things that you can do. First of all, take any content that we've created already and modify it so that it uses the site editor text format. Remember that if there is no content in the body, that the text format isn't associated with it. Next, try to configure the site editor text format to use the media browser. This is what we're about to do in the next chapter, but you can take some steps ahead and see if you can do this based on what you know already. And finally, try to find some other modules that will also allow us to integrate images in with the WYSIWYG. There are a few out there, and in the next chapter we'll explore one that fits the bill a little bit more with what we're looking for. And when you're ready, go ahead and move on to the next chapter.